Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firstrade app easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. Search for Firstrade in the App Store's search bar. Once you find the Firstrade app, tap on it. Then, click on the Get or Download button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID to confirm. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Search for Firstrade in the search field. Locate the Firstrade app and tap on it. Now, hit the Install button to download the app. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Upon opening the app, you will see the welcome screen. If you are a new user, click on Sign Up to create an account. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Complete any additional verification steps as prompted. Once registered, log in using your new credentials. Explore the app interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Now you are ready to start using the Firstrade app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.